Good day everyone and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Gerry Mokke and I'm an applications engineer at Morena Wansholt. Today we'll be going through some of the latest and descriptions around ascending the chains for Upchain. On today's agenda we're looking at some industry challenges. Then we'll be exploring the Upchain solution and some key features. And then a couple of success stories and finishing off with a Q&A session. Let's get started with some industry challenges. There is a lot that goes into product development and manufacturing, and even more things can get in the way of getting your products out of the door. Some popular challenges include globalization, process bottlenecks, inadequate data sharing, repetitive or manual efforts, the lack of collaboration, and supply chain issues, and the list definitely goes on. With these challenges in mind, current systems can't keep up with the changing world. Over the past couple of years, we experienced a pandemic that exposed the limitations of our current systems. We need to be able to collaborate, but everyone is using different tools, different workflows, and different processes, or even different languages, and work in different locations. To make it visual, we are currently working as disconnected teams, each doing our best in our own silos. We need to go from a disconnected environment, connecting data, people, and processes across your organization and supply chain. In the old world, engineers are wasting up to 2 months per year looking for data. The average engineer needs to navigate 10 systems just to get their work done. Over 80% of products are over budget and almost 80% are late. We need a platform that can bring everyone together to collaborate. That brings us to the Autodesk's all-cloud PDM PLM platform, powered by Upchain. Upchain makes it easier for your organization to collaborate and manage complex engineering and business processes. Upchain solves these pain points because Upchain is open, out of the box and extensible. It brings together all of the CAD drawings. It brings together the whole value chain. It is diversified so you can use whatever CAD system you prefer, and we merge it all together for you. It lets you view the engineering data or whatever the source data is in a neutral format that everyone can consume. No more creating screenshots and trying to share information with people. You get to see the data, whatever stakeholder you are, get across to it and be able to see it, interact with it and leverage it at your own work. That's the future, and that's Upchain. The benefits of cloud actually extend well past the seamless collaboration. When you have the PDM in the cloud, you get to leave behind all the overheads that are associated with on-premise solutions. This includes all the setup and maintenance of your servers, both digital and physical, fixes and patches, backups, recovery, and potentially security breaches. And then you have all the employee resources that need to do all of this. It all really adds up.
Upchain is the only CAD-centric, multi-tenant SaaS cloud-based product data management and product lifecycle management software on the market today. Configurable, out-of-the-box workflows control your processes to keep projects moving, while integrations keep teams working in the CAD business tools they already know. Because Upchain is CAD-agnostic, you only need a single plugin to manage all CAD integrations, including SolidWorks, CATIA, NX, Inventor, AutoCAD, and PTC Creo. Once in your preferred CAD environment, Upchain seamlessly integrates with the interface. From the My Assignments tab, you can view tasks assigned to you, along with details like the assignment's creator, status, or description. On the Doc tab, you can access any documents added to the assignment without browsing or searching. For example, markup images would appear here. Items open almost immediately due to Upchain's local caching technology. This facilitates high performance, even on large assemblies. When checking out an item, the font color changes and a lock icon displays, indicating the items have been checked out. Any team members working on the project will also be notified that the object was checked out. When changes are made and the item is checked back in, all team members will be able to easily see which files have been modified in the CAD check-in. Next to each item, in the Change Description field, you can enter additional details about each change. This description becomes available in the revision history so everyone stays on the same page. Once checked back in, the font color reverts to its initial state and the lock icons disappear. Upchain's CAD connector allows for a seamless, transparent experience to capture, manage, and share CAD data without ever leaving your CAD environment. Upchain's sleek interface is designed to be highly intuitive, allowing new users to onboard quickly and existing users to maximize productivity. Upchain fuels collaboration, facilitating flexible data organization for customers of all sizes and across all industries. Upchain also provides information important to your personal workflows, including an activity stream, My Favorite Items, and My Assignments. With a project open, Upchain presents a robust dashboard. Workflows are right at your fingertips. The project dashboard offers real-time analytics for visibility and insight into project health. The bill of materials is always just a click away. Quickly manage projects with a project plan and a Gantt chart that supports milestones, stage gates, and tasks. Project tasks can be linked to project artifacts and deliverables, such as documents and bill of materials items. Business processes provide a centralized view for project members to create, manage, and report on requirements, change objects, and QA objects. The Documents dashboard gives users full access to pertinent, non-CAD project resources that can be linked to other documents, enabling full product definition. Project Settings lets you configure privacy options and specify the project team members. Team members are assigned user roles to ensure workflow tasks are routed efficiently to the appropriate personnel. Upchain is so intuitive, even infrequent users can get to work quickly. BOM management is intuitive in Upchain. A bill of materials, BOM, lists all the assemblies, sub-assemblies, items, and raw materials needed to produce one unit of a finished product. Each finished product has its own BOM. BOMs are loaded top-down through your web browser, or Microsoft Excel can be used to efficiently load BOM structures and item attributes. Assemblies can have structures driven from different CAD systems. For instance, BOMs can be loaded bottom-up for mechanical or electrical CAD systems. In the BOM for an electromechanical assembly, both a mechanical and electrical subassembly would appear. The mechanical subassembly uses a structure driven from a mechanical CAD system. The electrical subassembly uses a structure driven from an electrical CAD system. Non-CAD files also appear in the BOM to fully define the top-level assembly. Within the BOM item, you can view CAD data, create related business processes, edit the BOM itself, visualize model comparisons, create reports, and import or export artifacts into the BOM item. Comparing BOMs is a vital tool. As an item is designed, versions are branched, released, revised, released again, and so on, so its BOM structure may change multiple times. To ensure items aren't lost or added accidentally, and to ensure the structure has changed correctly, you can analyze BOMs with an at-a-glance report. The 3D Compare tool opens a 3D model of both compared items. Using only a web browser, you and your team can easily see what has changed in the model. The Compare window has the same functionality as the 3D viewer, so you can apply dynamic cutting planes, view assembly explosions, use measurement tools, and add markups. You can even create investigation requests to initiate workflows. Managing non-CAD product development artifacts with Upchain is an intuitive process. To facilitate full product definition, documents can be linked to other documents or bill of materials items. The web viewer has everything you need to navigate and mark up your documents, including annotation, shapes, and stamps. Uploading documents to Upchain is as simple as drag and drop. With Upchain plugins, projects integrate seamlessly with Microsoft Office products, such as Word and Outlook. In fact, almost all Upchain functions can be performed within the plugin, so you never have to leave the Microsoft environment. Check-in and check-out file management ensures version control and tracks changes. Linking documents to a bill of materials item is a simple process that provides transparency for the scope of the project. Upchain's document management and visualization simplifies the management of any file type, ensuring documents are seamlessly integrated with product development workflows. Upchain provides powerful out-of-the-box business process workflows to use as a starting point, or you can easily create your own. Creating and editing workflows is as simple as drag and drop. The pre-configured user and system primitives allow for easy mapping of any process without custom coding. For example, one out-of-the-box workflow is the change request workflow. Change requests describe a suggested enhancement or problem with a product and define a set of affected items to be released. When processing change requests, you can select individual or multiple items, or even a set of items within an assembly. Change requests allow you to add a description, set the release type, and add revision notes to each item. You can also attach supporting documentation. After the change request is configured to your liking, you can assign and start the workflow. Workflows ensure that the right work is sent to the right person at the right time, in the right sequence, and with the right information. Out of the box, Upchain has everything you need to manage suppliers, streamlining communications for sourcing and purchasing. With the project open in the Bill of Materials dashboard, you can associate prospective suppliers to items. Also, the list of available suppliers can be driven from an ERP system. You can request quotes from each prospective supplier. Upchain makes the request for quote process seamless. Using an investigation request, you can set the workflow to a supplier RFQ. Simply enter in the relevant information, select the supplier, and add any supporting documents, such as a standard RFQ form for the supplier to fill out. Once created, the supplier will receive an email with a link to the item in Upchain that is only valid to the recipient of the email. The supplier logs into their own Upchain supplier portal. This portal is a lean interface, providing only the most relevant information a supplier needs to review and respond to the RFQ. Suppliers can also check out and complete any attached documents. Once the quote is complete, you can review the information that has been automatically populated and attached to the item, making it easier than ever to pick the best supplier for the project. Unlike traditional PLM systems, Upchain administration is simple and intuitive. All the project administration tools are in one central location. Manage how your data appears, such as item and document numbering. If your company has a specific item numbering rule that is different from Upchain's default, you can add custom rules to apply to one or more item types. Add rules for document numbering. Creating these unique identifiers ensures that item and document lifecycles will follow a structured workflow. Tailor item attributes to fit with your daily processes and workflows. Add custom attributes, toggle on searchability, include attributes in workflows, or manage CAD mapping types. Document attributes are also customizable. They display on a document details view, offering information about the contents of the document without having to download and open it. Upchain provides out-of-the-box system workflows, offering a series of steps and processes that govern the lifecycle of an object. Workflows ensure that the right work is sent to the right person at the right time, in the right sequence, and with the right information. You can also create your own workflows, giving you full control of how you work. Upchain enables you to add more granularity and precision to your projects with custom business process types. Custom business processes can contain a set of documents and attributes that you would like to automatically include each time a user adds that business process to the project. Document categories allow you to organize all additional documentation you may wish to associate to a project or an item. You can also invite new users, manage existing users, and view information about individual users, including Upchain usage analytics. Having all your administration tools in one place allows you to easily configure Upchain to be a perfect fit for your organization.
Let's have a look at how Autodesk PLM solutions have helped companies from around the world. And as you can see, here are 3 customer success stories. And I quote, "We can digitize the entire design and manufacturing process and are then able to track the produced system throughout its entire lifecycle." And unquote. That is Haju from Vizi Consult. You are more than welcome to read the other 2, and they seem pretty well as well. We know that there are more pressures than ever before. Let's summarize how Upchain can help. Out-of-the-box workflows and integrations, quick and easy onboarding, can automate workflows, and it can export the format you need. It also reduces the IT overheads. And now it's time for our Q&A. If you have any questions, please add them to the Q&A section at the top, and we will answer them with you directly. Or you can send us your questions in chat, or even email us at our support link provided in our next slide. Thank you for joining our webinar, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Here are the different ways you can contact us through. Let's stay in touch, guys, and I hope to see you again soon.